Hey, wait a minute. Is that? It is! Look who's coming out here!
This isn't his match, but it looks like he's got a bone to pick with one of the superstars.
Yeah, and he doesn't look too happy to see him either. Did you hear the trash talk between them? I don't think he's going to stay focused in this match.
This match will start as we're joined by our guest, no doubt here to observe one of these competitors.
Yeah, too bad he's not in the mood to talk. Don't bother him, Michael. I don't want any trouble coming over our way. Rusev reversing it. Incredible.
And so what are your thoughts right now on Rusev?
Rusev debuted at the 2014 Royal Rumble and was the #6 entrant. He didn't waste any time in manhandling his opponents. To get an idea of how powerful and dominant Rusev is, think about it like this. It took 4 superstars to eliminate him from the Rumble. He's been destroying superstars ever since.
What hasn't been said already? Everybody's talking the unbelievable potential we're witnessing here. Let's just sit back and enjoy.
Oh, look at the emotion. Not a lot of spring left in his step right now. Oh, wow.
Hard Irish whip into the corner.
Uh-oh, our guest is getting a little restless here.
And there's a confrontation at our table right in front of us between these two superstars over some unresolved issues.
And there's a match going on. Now's not the time, guys. Uh-oh. See, Michael? I told you.
King, I've been in an...
You can see him struggling to stand after all the damage he's taken.
Oh, out of nowhere.
And this heartless attack continues.
Oh, man. This is getting tough to watch. Somehow, he's kicked it into another gear here tonight. Oh, that'll knock the wind out of you. I'm not sure I can watch this.
Not going to win many matches with that move.
Boom! Oh, out here you have to be able to think on your feet lightning fast. One mistake, one moment of hesitation, and you could find yourself in a world of hurt. Oh, this may very well end it. Not this.
He's looking at it again.
Well, looks like a visit to the chiropractor's office will be in order after this one. We've talked at great lengths about Rusev's annihilating offense. Well, the way the Bulgarian Brute finishes opponents is equally alarming. Rusev's accolade is one of the most paralyzing submission moves sports entertainment has ever witnessed. You can actually hear the victim's bones break.
People have been wanting to see these guys go at it for a long time, and by the sound of this crowd, I think they're getting what they wanted. We're looking at complete domination here. There's no coming back from that.
Well, the trick sometimes when you get outside the ring is survival. That's it. He's done.
Take a look at that again. Seems like these guys are letting out a lot of pent-up frustration tonight.
Getting back into the ring now.
King, you can take a breath.
Oh!
We're looking at complete domination here. And there's the reversal from Rusev.
Oh, wait, nice reversal.
The Bulldog is off the leash.
Yeah, who let that dog out?
You have to wonder what's going through these guys' minds in a match of this magnitude.
He's pulling out all the stops tonight. Boy, he is really tired now. That tank of his has to be reading empty.
It has to be, King, but I still don't see him giving up.
This match may end right here.
Oh my, Rusev is in position. Rusev, what a maneuver.
That might have realigned the spine permanently.
One move after the other. It's devastating.
This is hard to watch. This is going to be bad. Well, we're on the move here. I don't know how much longer he's going to be able to go. Oh, this is not going to be good.
It's got to be over now.
Oh, once you get out of the ring, anything can happen. You've got exposed steel, concrete, the barricades, and all of it can be used to cause massive damage.
6.
Extra slow getting back to his base
7.
here.
8. 1.
One of these guys is going to walk away with the win here tonight. I just can't imagine one of them also accepting defeat.
Oh, man. How much damage did that cause to the neck? Well, the trick sometimes when you get outside the ring is survival. The match becomes almost secondary when you get...
Submission locked in, and this might be it.
Look, he's still going. How? How is this possible? A punch to the gut there. Oh, man, that had to knock the wind out of him. Oh, wow.
Oh, that's called going down and staying down. Good night.
Thank you for spending your Monday night with us. After seeing what we have in store, I'm sure you won't be disappointed. Adding insult to potential injury there.
Wow, he's still down after that.
And what a reversal from Rusev. This is a level of destruction no one was expecting.
I certainly didn't expect to see this kind of damage.
Not today, too fast.
Whoa, look out. He's trying to turn this around.
We're looking at complete domination here.
Wow, King, I didn't think we would see this. Talk about defying the odds. The roof's gonna blow off this place.
If he keeps up this pace, the incredible counter.
We're looking at complete domination here.
Whoa!
He may get the 3 count right there.
Gonna be close. Look at this.
It's all academic from here.
Stay down. Stay down. Oh, my. Put it in the books. This one's got to be over now.